If you've been studying Vedic astrology and just purchased Parashara's Light or are thinking about purchasing Parashara's Light, you need to listen to this. I'm Tahia Lemire. Welcome to the Light where software meets the stars, and I created Parashara's Light Foundation course for beginners quite simply because there isn't anything out there like it. If you've just delved into the world of Vedic astrology, you probably realize very quickly that not only do you need a teacher for the knowledge, you need a teacher for the software. The software can't be an afterthought to your studies. It's a tool that has to be used in parallel and is partnered with your studies. You may be thinking of purchasing Parashara's Light, or you may have just purchased it and you realized when you opened it, you didn't know what to do first, what you were looking at, or where to go next. Opening up Parashara's Light for the first time can be very overwhelming, and you don't need to do it alone. In this course, I'll show you step by step how to create your first chart, how to use the navigation bar and icons, and give you an understanding how the worksheet is organized. And then we'll wrap it up with a chart analysis so you'll have an understanding of how the software works in real time and in real practice. By the end of this course, you'll have clarity and confidence and a basic understanding of how to use the software. Whether you're on a Mac or PC and using the North or South Indian chart format, don't worry because I have you covered. I demo on both chart styles and I point out when there are differences between a Mac and a PC version. There is no other course like this that dedicates itself from the ground up to teach you how to use Parashara's Light. So what are you waiting for? Come join me where software meets the stars. The link is below and I'll see you in the light.